TikTok Shop training and tutorials. Training and tutorials for the TikTok Shop are structured learning paths designed to help sellers master every aspect of running a successful store. These resources cover topics like setting up your seller account, listing products, creating engaging content, handling orders, and optimizing sales performance. They provide a clear roadmap from beginner to advanced seller, making it easier to navigate the platform and grow confidently. The tutorials often include video walkthroughs, step-by-step guides, and hands-on exercises. Within these programs, you'll find modules on account setup, shipping and returns policies, product uploads, and analytics dashboards. Using a reference tool like Helium 10 alongside these tutorials can further strengthen your learning by offering detailed analytics and performance tracking, helping you apply what you've learned in a real-world context. In practice, many sellers who follow these training modules see quicker growth on TikTok Shop because they avoid common mistakes and focus on high-impact activities. For instance, using Helium 10 to monitor campaign outcomes and cross-reference with tutorial tips lets sellers refine their strategy and scale faster. These tutorials give you the structure, and Helium 10 gives you the data insights to turn learning into revenue. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to tools and learning resources that help you follow tutorials, master TikTok Shop workflows, and build your business confidently.